Learn Together is a new engagement initiative funded by Glasgow Changing Futures, and it aims to upskill researchers in engagement with specific underserved communities. So we've partnered with the British Red Cross Voices to host a workshop looking into engagement with migrants and refugees. We're partnering with Differ-Abled, which looks into engagement and community-based research with neurodivergent communities. We've got a workshop with Chance to Change, which looks into engagement with individuals that are experiencing socio-economic disadvantage. And we have another workshop led by Values into Action Scotland, which looks at community-based research and engagement with individuals with learning disabilities. You'll get a chance at every workshop to learn from the experience of the community organisations and community members, best practice when you're engaging with communities.
These sort of sessions are really important because it can easily be isolating working on your own engagement project. But when you listen to other people, the challenges they've been through, how they've tackled it and how they've been able to manage, you can take away lessons for yourself as well.
It's very important that we can hear from other people's experiences. So we start building structures and systems that are able to support our community, our academic community as well.
I was on the panel of speakers, and I think that it's so important to be really honest about the challenges that I've faced. So I hope that through what I said today, it kind of make people be kinder to themselves when they're approaching all of this, and to just keep going with the things that they're passionate about if they want to see change in the real world.
As the programme director for a new degree programme in liberal arts, I came along for inspiration because we are really building into that programme community engagement, civic engagement. The whole programme is really about getting students in the arts and humanities to see how those disciplines can translate into real world impact. It was inspiring, it was thought-provoking, and it has sent me away really motivated to work with the teams that the university has in place to support this kind of work.
It's 100%, I think, the most important thing we can do as an institution is to get communities who don't see the relevance of the institution to their everyday, to encourage them into the institution, to work with them and find out how we can be more inclusive, or that outputs from the university have a tangible outcome for them.
What's special about Learn Together from my perspective is that it's the application of the theory that there shouldn't be a one-size-fits-all for engagement, nor should there be. Your engagement practices and processes should be informed by the community of interest, and that's exactly what Learn Together is doing by hosting these collaborative workshops with our partners.